Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to protect sheet with password in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and now you want to protect the sheet, so no one can edit anything, no one can add column on that sheet, or no one can change value or do not do anything without password. Okay, so how to do that? First, what you have to do, you have to select all the cell here and then go to format. Then here you will see format cell, and then here you will see protection. If it is logged here, just you have to just click on logged. Okay, then click on OK. Then now next thing what you have to do, to for the password you have to just go to review. Okay, then here you will see protect sheet option, just click on it and then you have to just choose one password. Okay, and here you have to just verify this. All this thing, if you want to allow anything, you can just allow that. Okay, all thing. And then what you have to do, I do not want to allow anything, so no one can delete any column, delete any row or anything. Just click on OK. After that, if I click anywhere, you will see I cannot click or I cannot edit anything. Here you will see this cell or chart you are trying to change is protected sheet. To make change, unprotect the sheet. Okay, so like this you can protect sheet in Excel, so if you with password. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.